ABC Educational Channel.
Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about nouns. Do you know what a noun is? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. But there are two special kinds of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Let's learn about them together. Common nouns. A common noun is a general name. It talks about any person, place, animal, or thing, but it does not tell us the exact name. Common nouns are usually written with a small letter, unless they are at the beginning of a sentence. Examples: boy, school, dog, book, cat, park. So if I say teacher, that is a common noun, because it can mean any teacher. That's right. A proper noun is a special name. It tells the exact name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Examples: Tom, the name of a boy. St. Andrew's School, the name of a school. Buddy, the name of a dog. Harry Potter, the name of a book. Japan, the name of a country. Toyota, the name of the car. Oh, if I say Mrs. Smith, that's a proper noun, because it's the special name of my teacher. Exactly. Let's practice. The word city is a common noun, but Davo is a proper noun. The word boy is a common noun, but Tom is a proper noun. The word school is a common noun, but St. Francis is a proper noun. The word country is a common noun, but America is a proper noun. The word river is a common noun, but Amazon is a proper noun. The word dog is a common noun, but Buddy is a proper noun. The word car is a common noun, but Toyota is a proper noun. The word park is a common noun, but Grand Canyon Park is a proper noun. The word teacher is a common noun, but Mr. Smith is a proper noun. The word mountain is a common noun, but Mount Everest is a proper noun. Great job, everyone! Today we learned that common nouns are general names. Proper nouns are special names, and they always start with a capital letter. Now, look around your home or classroom and try to find more common and proper nouns. Learning nouns is fun. See you next time.